equations in two variables. In this sections we are going to learn equations reducible to the pair of the linear equations in two variables. That is converting the non-linear equation into the linear equation. Take the page number 16 in your textbook. The activity: complete the following table. The first equation, 3 upon x minus 4 upon y equal to 8. There are the two variables. Number of variable is 2. The x and y are the two variables. Whether it is the linear equation or not. This is not the linear equation. Not linear equation. The reason is the degree of the equation is variable. Degree of the variable is not equal to 1. But how to convert then this non-linear equation into the linear equation? Substituting a new variable in the given non-linear equation, we can convert them into the linear equation. Here the equation 3 upon x minus 4 upon y equal to 8. This is not a linear equation, but we can convert this non-linear equation into linear equation. That means 3 into 1 upon x minus 4 into 1 upon y equal to 8. Then this non-linear equations, we can substitute this variable into the another variable. That means replacing 1 upon x by m and 1 upon y by n. Therefore, equation becomes the equation 1 becomes 3m minus 4n is equal to 8. This is the linear equations in one variable. After to find out the solutions of the equation, you have already learned the three methods to find out the solutions of the equation: by the Cramer's method, by the elimination method, by graphical method. Any of the methods you can use for find out the solutions of the equation. Now I am moving to practice it 1.4. First question: 2 upon x minus 3 upon y equal to 15. 8 upon x plus 5 upon y equal to 77. These two equations are not linear equation, but we can convert this one into the linear equations. How to convert this into linear equations? 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 into 1 upon y equal to 15. This is equation number 1. And 8 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y equal to 77. Equation number 2. And then replacing 1 upon x by m and 1 upon y by n. Therefore, one in equation 1 and equation 2. Therefore, the first equation becomes 2m minus 3n equal to 15. This is equation number 3. 8m plus 5n equals 77. Equation number 4. Then by elimination method, I am doing the elimination method to find out the value of m and n. First, multiplying equation 3 by 4. Therefore, this equation completely both sides multiplied by 4. Therefore, equation becomes 4 2s are 8m minus 4 3s are 12n is equal to 15 4s are 60. This is equation number 5. Then subtracting equation 4 from equation 5. Therefore, Therefore, 8m minus 12n equal to 60 minus 8m plus 5n is equals 77. Subtraction means the sign is changing as negative. This sign also change negative. This sign also change negative. 8m minus 8m, this is cancelled by eliminated. These two terms are eliminated. Minus 12n minus 5n is minus 17n equals 77 minus 60 is there also is minus 17. Therefore, minus 17 n is equal to minus 17. Therefore, n equal to minus 17 upon minus 17. Minus n minus is plus. Therefore, 17 by 17 is equal to 1. The value of n is equal to 1. Then substitute this value into any of the equations. Substituting n equal to 1 in equation 3. Therefore, 2m minus 3 into 1 equal to 15. Therefore, 2m minus 3 is equal to 15. Therefore, 2m equal to minus 3 is going to be that 15 plus 3 equal to 18. Therefore, m is equal to 18 upon 2 is equal to 9. M is equal to 9. Then m is equal to 9 and n is equal to 1. But this is not your variable. Your variables are in x and y. Therefore, now what is m? Now m equal to 1 upon x. Therefore, the value of m 9 is equal to 1 upon x. Therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 9 and n equal to 1 upon y. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1 upon y. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Therefore, solution of the equation xy is equal to 1 upon 9 and 1. This is your solutions of the equation x and y. Now the second sum, 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y equal to 4. Second equation, 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to negative 2. This is also not the linear equation. We want to convert into the linear equation. 10 into 1 upon x plus y plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y equal to 4. Equation 1. And 15 upon x, 15 into 1 upon x plus y minus 5 into 1 upon x minus y equal to negative 2, equation number 2. Then replacing one upon x plus y by any letter you have to give p, and 1 upon x minus y equal to q in equation 1 and equation 2. Therefore, first equation becomes 10p plus 2q is equal to 4, equation 3, and 15p minus 5q equal to negative 2, equation number 4. By elimination method, equation number 3 multiplying equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2. Therefore, equation 3 becomes, multiplied this equation by 5, 5 times are 50, 50p plus 5 2s are 10, 10q is equal to 5 4s are 20, equation number 5, and next one by 2, 15 2s are 30p minus 5 2s are 10q is equal to 2 2s are 4, negative 4. Equation number 6. Then adding equation 5 and equation 6. 50p plus 10q is equal to 20 plus 30p minus 10q equal to minus 4. Adding the equation, these terms are eliminated. 5 plus the 50 plus 30 is equal to 80p. This is eliminated, equal to 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Then p is equal to equal to 16 upon 80 is equal to 1 upon 5. Substituting p is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation 3. Therefore, 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2 into q is equal to 4. Therefore, 5 2s are 10. This is a 5 and 10 is cancelled. It is 2. Therefore, 2q is equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Therefore, q is equal to, equation q is equals 2q is equal to 2. Therefore, q is equal to 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Then, in our equation is a value of the variable means you have to find the value of x and y. Therefore, this equation now we have to write p equal to 1 upon x plus y. What is the value of p is 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon x plus y. Therefore, x plus y equal to 5, equation number 7, and q equal to 1 upon x minus y. Therefore, the value of q is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1 upon x minus y. Therefore, x minus y equal to 1. Equation number 8. Then we have to find the value of x and y, adding equation 7 and equation 8. Then you will get x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1. Y and y is eliminated. X plus x is equal to 2x equals 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 upon 2 equal to 3. Then substituting x equal to 3 in equation 7. Therefore, x plus y equal to 5, x is equal to 3, 3 plus y equal to 5, therefore y equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Thus x is equal to 3 and y equal to 2, therefore solution of the equation xy is equal to solution xy equals x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Now I am moving to question 4. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y equal to minus 1 upon 8. This is also not the linear equation. Therefore, to convert into the linear equation by first 1 into 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 1 into 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 upon 4 equation 1 and 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3x minus y equal to negative 1 upon 8 equation number 2. Next, replacing one upon 3x plus y by m and 1 upon 3x minus y by n in equation 2 and equation 1 and equation 2. Therefore, the equation becomes 1 into m is equal to m plus n equal to 3 upon 4 equation 3 and 1 upon 2 m minus 1 upon 2 into n equal to negative 1 upon 8 equation number 4. And this is the fraction. Therefore, multiply 1 to omit the fraction. Multiply equation 4 by 2. Equation 4 by 2. Therefore, 1 upon 2 into 2m minus 1 upon 2 into 2n is equal to minus 2 upon 8. 1 into 2 upon 8. Therefore, 2 and 2 cancel. This 2 and 2 cancel. M minus n is equal to 2 4s are 8. Therefore, minus 1 upon 4. Equation number 5. Then adding equation 3 and equation 5. Therefore, m plus n is equal to is equal to 3 upon 4 plus m minus n is equal to negative 1 upon 4. Add the equation. N and n, my negative n is eliminated. M plus m is equal to 2m is equal 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 is 2 upon 4. 2m is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. M is equal to 2 is coming in down, 1 by 2 into 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. Then substituting M equal to 1 upon 4 in equation 3. 3 is M plus N is equal to 3 upon 4. Therefore, M is equal to 1 upon 4 plus N is equals 3 upon 4. Therefore, N is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. M is equal to 1 upon 4, N is equal to 1 upon 2. Now, M equal to 1 upon 3x plus y. Therefore, M is equal to 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y. Therefore, cross multiplication 3x plus y is equal to 4. Equation number 7. And next one, N is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. Therefore, the value of N is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. Equation number 8. Therefore, 2 is equal to equation number 8 now. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Equation number 8. Then adding equation 7 and 8. X plus y is equal to 4 plus 3x minus y is equal to 2. Y and y is eliminated. This is 3x plus 3x is equal to 6x is equal to 6. Therefore, x equal to 6 upon 6 equal to 1. And substituting x equal to 1 in equation 7. Therefore, 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 plus y equal to 4. Therefore, y equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Therefore, solution is xy equal x is equal to 1, y equal to 1. Thank you.